Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Williamsport local and long-distance movers near me. Moving long distance can be a daunting task. A new school for kids, a new job, and a new neighborhood are all part of moving and making it a new adventure. With so many tasks, let packing and moving can be done by a professional moving company. 3 movers will do all the packing and moving with a handle and care. We handle long-distance moves with extra effort and care. We offer moving services to ensure that your belongings reach your new destination on time without damage. Our moving experts will pack your belongings and keep them safe during the entire trip. So, you decided to leave your old home and move just a few blocks away? Don't worry. 3 movers got you. Moving just a few blocks away can also be a tiring job. However, we ensure that you are not stressed out because of moving. Our professional workers will handle all the services like packing, storage, moving, loading, and transportation. In addition, we will handle your movables with care. We can even complete your local move in just a few hours, so you can make yourself comfortable at your new home as soon as possible. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Williamsport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.